Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Color Combos with Crystal. Today we are doing soft birthday coloring using some older sets from Unity. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. To begin, we're going to be using So Glad You Were Born, using the sentiment and the cupcake, and then the background stuff of Better with Age. We're going to begin by placing the sentiment onto our clear block and stamping it off right on our piece of cardstock. Next, we're going to assemble that beautiful background stamp from the November Kit of the Month, Better with Age. We're going to ink it up and stamp the top left corner. We're going to shift that and stamp the bottom to create an angled stamp. On a separate piece of cardstock that is alcohol-friendly ink, we are going to stamp the cupcake, and we're going to allow that to dry and move on to coloring. We're going to add some shadow using BG32, and this is just a darker aqua color, and like I said, we're going to be shadowing from the right. Next, with the lightest shade, we're going to begin and actually just color in between all the cakes. Now we're going to begin by actually coloring the cakes. We're going to use just a couple colors. We're not going to do too much blending. We're going to add our lightest color and then come in with that darkest shade and shadowing on the bottoms, the lefts and the rights. Move on to the yellow, again shadowing first, and then coming in with our lighter shade and coloring the rest of the image. Proceed with the purple. Last but not least, we're going to color the actual cake stands and add the flames for the candles. Now we're going to proceed to coloring that cute little cake. We're going to use 3 shades of pink. You can easily color any of these images with watercolors, crayons, color pencils. I am just using my Copic markers. We're going to go ahead and cut that cute little cupcake and get ready to place this on the card. Using foam adhesive, we're going to cut a strip, put it on the back of that cupcake, and place it over, and our card is ready to be sent. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's a great way to use soft colors for my color combos. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day.